Hi you guys, I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Thakkar and I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. Today we are here to talk about, review and swatch the entire range of House of Makeup Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint. And I absolutely love this product. I've spoken about this product earlier on my channel. I'm going to insert some clips right here. I have literally loved using this product ever since they sent it to me for the first time. I also did a YouTube short featuring the shades that they had sent me just to explain to you as to what shade is for what undertone, and you guys really showed so much love to that YouTube short. So glad that you guys actually found that video to be helpful. Earlier they used to have 9 shades in their range and now they have 12 shades in total. They've introduced 3 new shades because they actually are committed to creating makeup that truly reflects India's diverse skin tones. So they've launched a new shade for each category separately, which is fair, medium and dark. This particular skin tint is made for all skin types and all skin tones. I'm also going to be attaching Maybelline and MAC references on the screen while I swatch each shade on my face as well as on my hand, and explaining the undertone and the skin tone of each shade so that it's going to be easier for you to pick a shade from this range. The first shade that I'm going to be swatching is called F02, and this is meant for anybody with a fair skin tone and a neutral undertone. This is F02. The next shade, which is F05, is again also meant for fair skin tone people with a neutral undertone. This is F05. The next shade that I'm going to be swatching is called F10, and this is again meant for who's a fair skin tone person with a pink or a cool undertone. This is F10. Now it's time for FL10, which is meant for people from fair to light skin tones with a neutral undertone. This is FL10. The next shade is called FL20, which is meant for people with fair to light skin tones with an olive undertone. This is FL20. The next shade is called L10 and it is meant for people with a light skin tone who have a pink or a cool undertone. This is L10. Now that we've swatched the fair and light shades from this range, let's go ahead and swatch the medium and dark. The first shade in the medium category is called M05. This is meant for people with a medium skin tone who have a neutral or an olive undertone. This is M05. The next shade is called M07, which is one of the newest additions to the medium range. This shade is meant for people with a medium skin tone who have a yellow undertone. This is M07. The next shade is called M10 and this is my perfect match. This is for people with a medium skin tone who have a pink undertone. This is M10. The next shade is called M15 and this is meant for people with a medium skin tone who have a neutral undertone. This is M15. Next shade is called MD10 and this is meant for people from medium to dark skin tones with a pink undertone. This is MD10. D15 is meant for people with deep skin tone who have a neutral undertone. And it's also a newly launched shade in this particular range. This is D15 and this is the darkest shade of the range. Here are all the swatches of the House of Makeup Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint. This is F02, this is F05, this is F10, this is FL10, this is FL20, this is L10, this is M05, this is M7, this is M10, this is M15, this is MD10, and this is D15. If you want to take a screenshot for your shade reference, you might as well do that, but I've mentioned them for your ease. I've used this product so much till now that almost half my bottle of this is empty. I've worn this to events, I've worn this to parties, I've worn this to a wedding as well, and people have come up to me and asked me what base am I wearing because this just looks so good. Talking about the packaging, this is what the outer box of this Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint looks like. You get 35 ml of product in $7.99. It has niacinamide that will improve your skin texture. It also has hyaluronic acid which plumps and hydrates your skin. Goji berry extracts has rejuvenating properties, and it also has SPF 25+++. Is what the main component or the product looks like of the skin tint, and trust me, this is so travel friendly. And I've also carried this to one of my trips to Goa, and this was with me in the plane, and this has never leaked or spilled on me at all. So if you're planning to travel with this, you're good to go. I've already moisturized and primed my face. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly apply the shade M10, which is my perfect match. And it does cover a lot of my pigmentation and dark spots as well. Just see how easily and seamlessly it literally blends into my skin. It's melted into my skin in seconds. Like, that was so easy. And this shade is such a perfect match for me. It's my skin, but better. Just look at that radiant finish. This skin tint blends out with fingers, brush, as well as a beauty blender. It actually suits my acne-prone combination skin type. Never has it ever given me any sorts of breakouts or acne. Also, it doesn't clog my pores. I literally have big open pores right here. Look at how hydrated my skin looks. That is beautiful. This product is a perfect dupe for one of my favorite tinted moisturizers ever, which is the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. This one is very expensive, as you already know. It also comes in a mini size, but even that I think retails for 1,000 rupees if I'm not wrong, or 1,200. But this one retails only for 799. So that's an amazing dupe right here. I'm just going to add a little bit more to show you guys that you can build this up. It's not going to look cakey even if you add like more layers like I'm doing right now, and it's just going to look so flawless. I'm just going to come a little bit closer to you guys to show the finish of this skin tint and how radiant and how gorgeous this looks on my skin right now. Let me just do my full face of makeup, come back and show you guys what this skin tint looks with a full face of makeup on. This is what the skin tint looks with a full face of makeup. Let me tell you that no matter what kind of products I layer on this particular skin tint, whether it's liquid, cream or powder, they layer on so beautifully. I wouldn't want my makeup to crack around those areas, so I've only powdered my T-zone and a little bit under my eyes. But apart from that, I've literally kept this skin tint exactly the way it was, and you can see my skin looks so fresh, so juicy even now. Skin tint is definitely worth all the money that you're going to spend on it, and you're only going to spend $7.99 on this baby. I'm going to link this product in my description, so do not forget to check that out. If you guys enjoyed this video and if this video helped you, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. In the drugstore category, this is one of the best skin tints I've tried from an Indian brand specifically. So if you're ever planning to add a skin tint to your cart or your collection, I would highly recommend it.